brutal. See, this is potentially something that I'm looking for. Either something like this or a cave. But see, this is right off the trail, so too much foot traffic. I want to be further in the bush, which this is nice, but this ain't it. This is it. This will be home tonight. .8 miles. That's like 1.2 kilometers for the rest of the world. Just under a mile to get to this beautiful spot. Great location. 2,600 feet elevation. I don't know if you can see that or not. That hike was all uphill, but it's worth it. It was looking pretty slim at first. Guess I'll start getting me some firewood now. Cool shaped rock, shaped like a heart. That's pretty cool, man. So for dinner tonight, We got top ramen, chicken flavor, cut up chicken breast, Terrell style. A little olive oil in our noodles too. Me with my noodles, do a pack and a half. 1 pack just ain't enough, and 2 packs is just too much. We're gonna go nestle that in on the fire right. We're gonna take this, we're gonna dump that straight in there. Oh yeah, man. I only use 1 pack of seasoning. And this right here is Obey garlic powder and onion powder. I'll get that off up in there. Yes, sir. We're gonna slap that right back on there. Oh my goodness. This is a masterpiece. Gordon Ramsay, take notes. Oh man. Okay. One more thing. That's the real deal. This ain't no Texas Pete. This ain't no Tabasco. This is the best hot sauce you can get. Louisiana hot sauce. And this year, folks, the best noodles you would ever eat in your life. My goodness. As soon as I turn the camera on, I want to blow smoke in my face. Last night was miserable. Fire went out 3 times. Then this, the wind. Whew, all night. Guess I get me some breakfast started. Two croissants, smoked sausage, egg, cheese. This rock tested you. It stripped every sliver of heat out of your body, while the 37-degree winds whooped you all night long. Yet you sit here in gratitude. I went to war with myself, not the wind, not this rock, but me. And I grew.
So gratitude.